Hello, welcome to Queen Nantu's channel. This is Satau Village in the northwestern part of Botswana, Africa. This is the floodplain that you find overlooking the Namibian border, Namibian River. Satau Village is one of the 9th village within the Chobe district in Botswana, northwest. Thank you to all the viewers, all the supporters who have been supporting me, who have been following this channel. I appreciate all your support and wish you happiness, good health, and prosperity. Thank you once again, and welcome to my channel, Queen Nantu. That's the sunset. That's how you will see the sunset when you once visit this area in the future. Very beautiful sunset. You can see it if I zoom it. Palm trees. It's a beautiful island, Satau Village. You can see how beautiful the area is. This is a farmland in Satau. We do cropping here. Beautiful land, flat land. Cultivation is done. Here is almost that time of the year when we're preparing to put some crops. Very soon the rain will start in the next 2 months or so. I believe in other areas in the south of Botswana it has rained already. Look how beautiful the area is. Thank you very much. Ciao for now.